Ever wondered how incredible it would feel to have your very own garden teeming with beautiful butterflies and hummingbirds? Welcome to the captivating world of nectar-rich plants. These plants, brimming with sweet nectar, serve as a magnet for various species of butterflies and hummingbirds, but their importance extends beyond aesthetics. They play a pivotal role in supporting our local wildlife, creating a vibrant ecosystem right in your backyard. Nectar-rich plants not only add beauty to your garden, but also play a crucial role in supporting our local wildlife. So you may wonder, what types of plants are we talking about? Well, let's dive into a world teeming with color and life. Take the butterfly bush, for instance. It's not just a pretty face. Its fragrant blooms are a magnet for butterflies, hummingbirds, and bees. Then we have the vibrant zinnias, which are not only easy to grow but also a favorite among butterflies. And let's not forget the hardy coneflowers. Their large, daisy-like flowers are a sight to behold, attracting a variety of birds and butterflies. Each plant brings its own unique charm, creating a lively, dynamic garden. These are just a few examples, but there are many more nectar-rich plants to explore and add to your garden. Now that you know about these wonderful plants, you must be eager to start your own nectar-rich garden. Choose a sunny location as these plants thrive under the sun. Spring is often the best time to plant, giving the seedlings plenty of time to grow and bloom. Remember, regular watering and occasional pruning will keep your garden vibrant and healthy. With a little effort and love, your garden will soon be a haven for beautiful butterflies, hummingbirds, and other wildlife. Growing a nectar-rich garden is indeed a joyful and rewarding experience. The blooms, the hummingbirds, the butterflies, it's a symphony of life right in your backyard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!